Your Exter comes with two fuse boxes. One is located in the engine bay, the external fuse box. This is it. And there's another one inside. I'll show you the external fuse box first. To open the external fuse box, you have a clip here. You can take it out.
All the relays and fuses have been neatly explained in the owner's manual. So please take the time to go through the manual if you intend to do some basic troubleshooting. Okay, so starting from the external fuse box, the big black relay, that is this one, we will go clockwise and then top to bottom. So this large relay is the main relay with a 30 amp rating for the ECU, that is the engine control unit. The light orange relay next to it is for the AC blower fan circuit with a rating of 35 amp. The green relay is for the starter solenoid circuit with a rating of 20 amp. The green relay is for the AC system with a rating of 20 amp. The black relay is for the front wiper motor high speed circuit with a rating of 35 amps. The next slot is empty, but on the top end SXO variant, this is for the rear wiper motor with a rating of 20 amps. The next slot is left empty. The black relay is for the front wiper motor low speed circuit with a rating of 35 amp. The orange relay is for the burglar alarm circuit with a rating of 20 amps. The orange relay next to it is for the horn circuit with a rating of 20 amps. The green relay is for the fuel pump circuit with a rating of 20 amps. The light orange relay next to it is for the coolant radiator blower fan circuit with a rating of 35 amps. So that covers all the relays. Then we come to the fuses. The large red J case fuse rated 30 amps is for the battery circuit. The green 40 amp J case fuse is for the AMT circuit. The smaller green 40 amp J case fuse is for the starting circuit. The blue 50 amp mini blade fuse is for the AMT circuit. The blue 50 amp mini blade fuse adjacent to it is for the fuel pump circuit. The red 30 amp J case fuse is for the ECU circuit. All the three blue 50 amp mini blade fuses on the top row are for the ECU circuit. You probably won't have to mess with any of these that deal with the ECU circuit. The red 10 amp mini blade fuse located on the top left is for the front wiper circuit. The green 40 amp J case fuse is for the AMT circuit. The red 30 amp J case fuse is for the radiator fan circuit. The red 30 amp J case fuse below that is for the starting circuit. The red 30 amp J case fuse below that and the two green 40 amp J case fuse are for the battery charging circuit. The blue 50 amp mini blade fuse below that is for the ECU circuit. The blue 50 amp mini blade fuse below that is for the horn relay circuit. The red 10 amp mini blade fuse is for the AC blade circuit. Coming to the leftmost column, the green 40 amp J case fuse is for the AC blower relay circuit. The green 40 amp J case fuse below that is for the rear windshield defogger circuit. The smaller yellow 50 amp J case fuse is for the ABS and traction control system circuit. The smaller green 40 amp J case fuse is for the 12 volt power outlet circuit. Pay attention to this particular fuse because there are chances you may end up blowing this one because you unintentionally connected something that drew a larger power from the outlet. The smaller yellow 50 amp J case fuse is for the ABS traction control system circuit. The large bolted 50 amp unit is for the power steering circuit. The unrated one below that is for the alternate circuit, which going by the manual is rated at 125 amperage. And that completes the external relay box. Now we move on to the internal one.
On the other side of your fuse box cover, you have the description of the various fuses and relays, what they belong to, the corresponding amperage, and you also have spare mini blade fuses, and you also have the fuse picker that is given here. So you can use it to pick the fuse from the fuse slot, or if you want to take out a fuse from one of the many fuses that are inserted here, you can simply take out the fuse picker, insert it, and that is how you take the fuse. To insert the fuse back, simply put it into the slot and secure it. That is it. And you can replace the cover into the slot. Please ensure that the cover is firmly seated and it locks with a firm click. So your car also comes with an internal fuse box in addition to an external fuse and relay box which is present in the engine bay. Now where is the internal fuse box? It is located on the driver's side footwell. So this cover conceals your fuse and OBD port. You can see that it is mentioned fuse and OBD. OBD is onboard diagnostics.
Just like the external fuse box, on the rear side of the cover, they have indicated the various functions of each fuse and the corresponding amperage. And in case you are wondering what this QR code is, it is basically for the part number, which is already indicated in the sticker.
So there you go. You can see the fuse box here.
Let us look at each one of them in detail. Starting from the top left, we will go from left to right, row by row. All the fuses are the mini blade type. So the first slot is empty. The next one is a red 10 amp fuse for the rear windshield defogger circuit. The next two slots are empty. The white one is a 25 amperage fuse for the front right power window. The red 10 amp one is for the TCU, transmission control unit. The last one is empty. On to the second row. The red 10 amp one is for the OBD module. The red 10 amp one is for the memory module for the AC and instrument cluster. The next one is empty. The grey 15 amp one is for the sunroof motor. The white one is a 25 amp fuse for the front left power window. The next one is empty. The red 10 amp one is for the traction control system switch and the BCM, body control module. On to the third row. The first one is empty. The yellow 20 amp one is for the audio system. The red 10 amp one is for the ACU, airbag control unit. The brown 7.5 amp one is for the AC blower motor. On to the fourth row. The yellow 20 amp one is for the door lock system. The next one is empty. The red 10 amp one is for the crash memory module. The red 10 amp one is for the ABS unit. On to the fifth row. The brown 7.5 amp fuse is for the brake switch. The adjacent 7.5 amp fuse is for the inhibitor switch and start relay. The red 10 amp one is for the instrument cluster. The red 10 amp one is for the body control module. On to the next row. The blue 15 amp one is for the BCM. The red 10 amp one is for accessories. The next slot is empty. The red 10 amp one is for OBD module. The blue 15 amp one is for the front wiper washer switch. The brown 7.5 amp one is for the OBD unit. The yellow 20 amp fuse is for the power outlets. The red 10 amp one is for the BCM. The red 10 amp one is for the airbag warning symbol on the cluster. And now we move on to the last row. This one's empty. The brown 7.5 amp one is for the AC system. The blue 15 amp one is for the rear wiper motor and washer motor. The yellow 20 amp one is for the front wiper motor. The next one is empty. The blue 15 amp one is for the power outlet. The red 10 amp one is for the ECU. The red 10 amp one at the bottom right corner is for the power steering. And with that, we have covered the internal fuses as well. I hope this video will be useful for some of you.